I know what you're thinking. The iPhone 17 is almost here, so why did I buy the iPhone 16 Pro now? Well, I got an incredible trade-in deal for my iPhone 15 and there are a few upgrades in this one that I just couldn't wait for. Hey everyone, you're watching Ultralit, where we unbox, test and talk tech that matters. Let's get right into it. Unboxing an iPhone is always a little moment of joy. That crisp white box, the smooth lift, and the very first look at that untouched glass and metal. I've opted for the natural titanium color here as I really like the color. It's simple, it's industrial, it's minimalistic, it's precise, and it's Apple doing what Apple does best. Let's just turn it on. And instead of a simple hello, I am greeted with a warm namaste. Right away I can feel it. That titanium frame makes it lighter, yet somehow even more solid in my hand. Also you can see the camera button here. It's something new for me, coming from the iPhone 15. I really have to get used to it. And then you can catch that subtle metallic sheen in the edges. It's just too good. Inside, it's exactly as expected. A braided USB-C cable, the usual paperwork, and no charger, of course. Apple's been keeping it simple like this for years for reasons unknown, or let's say obvious reasons. And when everything is laid out together, it looks clean, intentional, nothing wasted, minimalistic, just the way I like it. Side by side with the iPhone 15, they look almost identical, but the moment you pick them up, the differences are obvious. Titanium used instead of aluminium, a finer matte glass texture that diffuses reflection, and a camera bump that's slightly bigger, but for that extra reach, I will take it. Even the grip feels better balanced in the hand, and yes, that ProMotion display is still buttery smooth. That brings us to the real question on why I upgraded to the new iPhone 16 Pro from my iPhone 15, and the reason are the cameras. That new 5x telephoto zoom finally makes its way to the smaller Pro, and as a photographer, that alone is a big reason I upgraded. Also, its capability to shoot raw images right from the phone. It's a complete win-win situation. Alrighty, that's the iPhone 16 Pro unboxed. Now I'm definitely going to do a review on the iPhone 16 Pro's cameras, but here's where you come in. What's the first thing you'd stress test if this was your phone? The camera, the battery, gaming, heating, or something totally different? Drop it in the comments and I'll actually pick one of your ideas to test in my next video. Also do follow me on Instagram. I'll post the link to my Instagram account in the description below. Until then, stay